Now I'm reinstalling the cover on the inside of the gate. Now I'm replacing some of the trim panel clips because they were damaged and non-functioning. Now I'm installing the interior trim panel. You just line up the holes with the fasteners and lightly tap on the cover. Always check to make sure that your body lines and your gaps are good on the gate so everything functions properly and it looks cosmetically correct. Now I'm installing the emblems, making sure that they're level in the proper position on the gate. That's how you replace a tailgate.